Hello friends, it's been so long since I posted a video. Well, today I want to entertain you with a very exciting looking book. Don't push the button. What will this be about? And who is this monster fellow? He looks a bit, mischievous? Well, there's only one way to find out. Let's go into the book. Don't Push the Button. Written and illustrated by Bill Cotter. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. No, we can't. We mustn't. Psst, no one is looking. You should give the button one little push. Ah, now I'm yellow. Push it again. Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dot? Push it twice. Ack! Now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times? Uh-oh. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Almost a little more. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. That tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. The end. This was a very, very, very exciting story, just like I anticipated. If you had a button like Larry did, and it said, "Don't push the button," would you push it? Or would you resist the urge? I think, yes, I would definitely push the button. I hope that it's a safe button. I don't want to be in a different type of world, or I don't want any more copies of me. I like being safe. Well, thank you for watching. Bye, and don't forget to subscribe and press thumbs up.